Today I'm bringing you a recipe for PAVOCHON, which is basically a Cuban style turkey seasoned Cuban roasted pork. And the word PAVOCHON basically is combining two words, pavo turkey and lechon for pork. But before we get started, if you want to see more Cuban recipes, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell below so you don't miss out on any of the recipes. So let's get started. Hoy les voy a mostrar cómo hago pavochón a lo cubano. La palabra es una combinación de las palabras pavo y lechón. Pero antes de comenzar, si quiere ver más recetas cubanas, suscríbase a mi canal y hazle la campana para no perderte mis videos. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 12-pound turkey, a quarter cup of olive oil, a quarter cup of pork fat or pork grease, 1 onion, 1 head of garlic, 3 oranges, 2 lemons, 1 lime. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of oregano, half of a teaspoon of cumin, 1 bay leaf, salt and pepper. For the dry rub, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, a half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of Bijol or Achiote, and if you can't find those, you can use a pack of sazon with Achiote, and you're going to also need salt and pepper. For the skin, you're going to need a quarter cup of butter, you're going to need another head of garlic, and for the stuffing, you're going to need 1 cup of Cuban rice and black beans. I'll leave a link below in the comment section to show you how to make it. Now I'm starting to make my mojo, and mojo is a marinade that's used in Cuban cooking to marinate meat. Traditionally, mojo is made from sour oranges, or in Spanish, naranja agria, but it's really difficult to find those kind of oranges. So if you can't find them, you can use equal parts of orange and equal parts of lemon. I also added a lime because the oranges are really sweet, and I like my naranja agria a little bitter. You can also buy naranja agria or sour orange in the supermarket. Los platos cubanos tienen sazón, todos ingredientes tan simples como ajo, limón y naranja agria. Pero en este caso no tengo ningún naranja agria, así que tengo que hacer la mía. Now, you can blend this if you want to at this point, but I'm not going to blend it. I'm just going to strain it and just squeeze out as much of the liquid as I can and then inject it into the turkey. Puede ponerlo en una licuadora si quiere una suave mezcla, pero voy a pasarlo por un colador. Okay, my mojo is ready, so I'm going to start injecting it. Mi mojo está listo para inyectar en el pavo. When you inject the turkey, you want to inject the whole top of the turkey, the muscle and everything. Then you want to flip it over and you want to do the other side. Para más sabor, inyecte todo el pavo, los muslos y el otro lado. Okay, so I have another head of garlic that is mashed, and I'm going to add it underneath the skin, and that's going to give the turkey more flavor. Para darle al pavo más sabor, estoy añadiendo puré de ajo debajo de la piel. Y use otra cabeza de ajo. When you put the garlic, you want to massage the garlic in and try to lift the skin up a little bit more so that you can spread it throughout the whole top of the turkey. Now, some people don't like to do this, but it really gives the turkey a good flavor, really juicy flavor also. So with the combination between the injection and the garlic, the turkey is going to be out of this world. La combinación de este adobo y puré de ajo se dará un gran sabor a este pavo. Now we're ready for our dry rub, and we're going to put the dry rub all over the turkey along with butter. Ahora estamos listos para masajear nuestro condimento seco. And the reason why I'm blending up my dry spices is because my bay leaf is whole and I don't have ground bay leaf. Estoy poniendo mis especias en la procesador porque no tengo hoja de laurel en polvo. I'm adding our dry rub over the turkey, and you can put as much or as little as you prefer. And once you feel that it's enough, then you can stop. So I'm going to add it to the top, to the back, and I'm going to add some inside. Después voy a poner el pavochón en la nevera y déjalo adobar por unas horas. Afterwards, I'm going to put the pavochón in the refrigerator and leave it for about a few hours, and then it will marinate, and then I'm going to take it out to put it in the oven. Turkey is a very bland meat. It has no flavor to it, so you have to do as much as you can to flavor it. So I am flavoring this bad boy up as much as I can. A diferencia de cerdo, el pavo es una carne sin sabor, así que tiene que hacer mucho para que darle mucho sabor. Now I'm adding in the butter last, and I'm going to rub it all over the turkey, and that's going to give the turkey a nice golden brown color. Y ahora vamos a poner mantequilla, y esto le dará al pavo un buen color dorado. Now we're going to fold the wings back so the wings don't burn, and we're going to go over to the stove and get our stuffing. Ahora vamos a doblar las alas y empezar a rellenar el pavo. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of Cuban rice and black beans into the turkey, and this is basically a Cuban American turkey because they don't do this in Cuba. What they normally do is add the rice and beans to lechon, which is the pork. So we are Cubanizing this turkey. But anyway, I put some aluminum foil, and that is to hold the rice and beans inside so that it doesn't fall out when it's baking. En Cuba, tradicionalmente, esto se hace con lechón, así que estamos haciendo un pavo de estilo cubano, a lo cubano. Now we're ready for our turkey to go into the oven. We're going to cover the turkey with aluminum foil, and we're going to bake the turkey at 350 degrees for 3 hours. Ahora estamos listos para hornear el pavochón. Cubrirlo con aluminio y hornearlo a 350 grados para 3 horas. So now it's been 3 hours and our turkey is ready. And you don't want to overcook the turkey because, you would have done all of this work for nothing. Pasado 3 horas y el pavochón está listo. No quiere cocinar demasiado tu pavo porque entonces estará seco. Y has hecho todo esto por nada. Mira cómo queda. Muy rico. Parece muy bonito. Voy a cortar un pedacito para ver la textura. So now I'm going to go cut a piece just so I can see what the texture is like and show you guys how juicy it is. Es muy jugoso y suavecito. And the meat is juicy, and as you can see, and it is nice and soft. So no dry turkey here. Well, everybody, I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. And if you want to see more Cuban recipes, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my recipes. Until next time, thanks for watching and happy holidays. Bye-bye. Bueno, mis cariños, es hora para irme. Si te gusta este video, dale un like y deja un comentario. Si quieres más recetas cubanas, suscríbete a mi canal y hazle la campana para no perderte mis videos. Hasta la próxima. Felicidades a todos. Muchas bendiciones.